Demonstration on the 5.5 inch 3D coffin mold from the Maker Shop. It consists of a bottom plate, a top plunger, and a shell. Take your shell and place it on top of your plate and begin filling. Shake in between to make sure that your bath bomb mixture gets into all the cracks and crevices. You can make this bath bomb as thick or as thin as you'd like. That's why we have a plunger. I'm going to fill it all the way up to the top. Take your plunger, turn it upside down, place it on top of the mold, and press down. Give it a turn and press down. Turn it one more time and press. Take your spoon and give some gentle taps all the way along the outside of your shell. Give some taps to the top plunger. Turn it over. And give some gentle taps along the outside rim of your plate. Lift straight up with your bottom plate. Take your fingers underneath your plunger, holding the top part of the mold with your thumb. Push up with your fingers while pushing down with your thumbs. Take your piece of cardboard, place it on top of your bomb, and turn it over. And then lift straight up with your plunger. And this is the 5.5 inch coffin mold from the Maker Shop. If you'd like to purchase this or any other molds from the Maker Shop, I'm going to leave the links to their website as well as their Etsy site down below. Happy creating, y'all!